next to me.
Hey guys, it is Allison. So today I thought I'd show you guys what I carry in my suitcase for, I would say, like a weekend trip, 3 or 4 days. This is normally the suitcase I would bring, and basically show you guys what I would bring if I was going home for the weekend. So this is definitely what I would show. Also, I'm not actually traveling. I just want to show you guys pretty much everything that I would bring if I was going on a short trip. So I thought that I would take the time to show you guys, basically because I feel like over, I would say, the last couple of months, I've learned how to pack efficiently and in a way that was just allowed me to bring as much as I can, but have it be in a small suitcase like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification down below to be notified every time I upload a video. And with that being said, I think we can just jump into basically how I pack for a short weekend trip. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so here is my suitcase. It's a small carry-on. It's from the brand Jeffrey Bean, and it's super small and perfect for just short trips. So as you can see, it fits everything. Everything's organized and all of that. So first on top, I have my makeup bag. So this is one that I got from Amazon. I'll link in the description box down below. So I just have like my makeup and all of this. Underneath it, I just have a skirt, as you can see. Perfect for if you have to look nice one day. And then as you can see, I rolled up all of my jeans and my bottoms. So I have some dark ripped jeans that literally the color faded, so it used to be black. Now I just got another dark wash jegging type. And then over here I just have another one. It's light wash and high-waisted as well. And then I have 3 different bottoms down here. I try and pack thin light ones so that they don't take up too much space. So I just have these. And then underneath in the side, I just have my straightener. I don't straighten my hair all the time, but if I'm going home for the weekend, sometimes I like to straighten it at least once. And then I have the belt that comes with the skirt. And then on this side, I just have my Michael Kors purse. I like to keep in the front, and it just, I have a purse. It depends what outfit I'm pretty much going to be wearing, so it depends whether it's going to be brown or black, but I just decided to stick this in here because all my stuff is in here anyways. And then I just have some shirts on the top, so I just have 4 different shirts. T-shirts are super easy because they don't take up a lot of space. I just have these. And then I just put my pajama tops in this Ziploc bag. I so recommend these Ziploc bags or just packing bags because they just suck out the air and they don't take up a lot of space. So I put my pajama tops in here. I just bought 3 in here. And then I just have my shoes. What I do is I kind of just stick them in places where they might fit. So I just have my Keds. They're just my gray slip-ons. And then the bottom, I just have all my toiletries in here. This is just a little bag with all my toiletries. So first off, I have my secret deodorant, my little facial mist. I have my perfume thing, rollerball thing. I have my little serum, hair serum. Kleenex just in case. Actually, that was upside down. Kleenex is just in case. Hand sanitizer. And then I just have some travel bottles. I decided not to fill them up just so I can use them later on. But basically, I would put micellar water in here. Lip balm. Wrinkle releaser. A travel toothbrush. This little thing for my moisturizer. My wet brush, sunscreen. This is my toothpaste, And then in here I would just put my shampoo and conditioner. They kind of go the same. And then I have my little floss. So that's all that I have in my little travel bag. And then lastly, I just have all my brushes in here. They kind of just perfectly fit, and I could just wrap them up like this, as you can see, so saves a lot of space. And then kind of going over here into this little section here, I'll kind of move it over so you guys can see. But basically I just have my flip-flops in here. They're usually my house slippers, so I just have these in here. And I have my bras, underwear, and then my socks in here as well. I'm not going to take them out just because I feel like it's a waste, but yeah, you guys can see that. So that's pretty much all that's in my suitcase. Okay guys, now I thought that I would show you guys what I keep in my carry-on bag. My carry-on bag is the bag that I use when I go to school, but I also use it when I travel and all that. So this is like literally my everything bag, so I take it around everywhere with me. It's the North Face. I think it's called the Vault. Yes, it is, and I'll try and link it in the description box down below, but I got it from Zappos, like I think it was like going into my senior year, so they might not have it. I'm not quite sure. Last time I checked, I don't think they have it, but you guys can just check. But yeah, and I have this little pin on here just so it stands out a little bit. So yeah, but basically I think I'm going to start off on the side pockets, but basically on this side I just keep an umbrella because you never know. And I also keep an empty little water bottle. I might fill it up, but if I'm going like on a plane, obviously it will be empty. But if I'm just going like I said, like on a weekend road trip or stuff like that, then obviously I'll fill it up. And then in this first pocket I just keep this little clutch thing, or like cosmetic bag that I have found in products, because you never know. I always keep it in my backpack no matter what. And then there's like these two little slots here, and here I just keep Kleenex. You just never know. And then I also keep my tripod if I'm vlogging. And then I don't have anything in the zipper compartment, and there's two other side pockets here. And I just keep sunglasses because you never know. And I always find myself needing it. And then I have hand cream. And then I have a pen and a highlighter whenever I'm reading either my Bible or just, you know, a book. I like to annotate and highlight. And then I have my iPad mini. And then in the way like deep pockets, I just keep my card thing wallet, I don't know what you call it, and then I have some keychains. I think that's all that's in here, so yeah, I don't keep much in here. Also, if I'm traveling like on an airplane or anything out of the country, I'll bring my passport, and then my boarding passes will probably be in here. And then in the zipper compartment, I just keep this bag with my chargers. Actually, it was the bag that I got my Cupshe swimsuit in, so I just decided to keep it because I was like, it's cute, I could probably use it. So I have all my chargers in here. I have a baseball cap because you never know. When I'm traveling, sometimes I'm not always looking the best, so a hat will definitely fix it. And then I have this little pouch with all my electronics. In here, I just keep my hard drive, the cables for it, or the USB thing for it, earbuds. I have my little mouse. I have this little, I forgot to call it, micro USB thing. My flash, I think I have like a flash drive in here. I normally keep my portable charger, but it's not in here. It's actually my purse. It's all in there. And then I also keep a pencil pouch because I like to plan a lot or journal, so I always have like a bunch of stuff, like fun things in here. So I just have that. And then I also have a book because I'm always finding an excuse to read. So this is the book I'm currently reading, The Beginning of Everything by Robin Schneider. And then I have my Jesus Calling devotional that I just like to read every single day. I have my journal if I ever want to write anything or write prayers down or anything. This is the journal that I use. I also have my planner because I always like to plan and just be organized. So I just have this. that's all in this, I guess, big section. And then this comes with the laptop sleeves. I just keep my laptop in here. I'm not going to take it out, but it is a laptop. It's just the one I use for basically everything. So I just have that there. And it just fits really nice. It's pretty small and compact, which I really like. So yeah, that's all that I keep in my carry-on bag. This is, like I said, the carry-on bag that I use whenever I'm traveling on a road trip, if I'm just going home, or even going on a trip that requires to take a plane. So yeah, I just really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully this is helpful for you guys, and I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.